Hello children, today we are going to write a new letter. Letter B. B says B. Bat. Now see how ma'am is writing the letter. It's very easy. You have learned how to write letter P. So first you will have to make letter P and then you will make letter B after that. So how you make letter P, all of you know, starting from the dot, you will make one standing line, go down, stop at the blue line. Then you will make semicircle or half a round starting from the dot, half a round and stop at the first blue line, touching the standing line. So after that you will make another half a round starting from here and stop at the blue line. Both half a round should be similar and of same size. See again how ma'am is writing. First you will write letter P, standing line, starting from the dot, half a round, stop here. Then again you will make another half a round. From here you will start, go down and touch the blue line. This is how you are going to write the letter B. So you will write beautiful B and you will finish the whole page nicely. Good children, happy learning.